Hey y'all, how's it going? It's Deen here, and today I am here in my grandma's kitchen and I'm going to be making a very special recipe for y'all. It's Jack's favorite fruit smoothie, and this is something I've been eating my whole life. And I was recently on the channel with my grandma and we were doing videos and stuff, and I had so many nice comments asking me about, just questions about my life and how I've been doing. So I thought there's no better way to talk about how I've been doing than to share my life through recipes. And this is really something that's been special to me recently because I'm home for the summer and my parents work so hard, but they're busy. So a lot of the times I have to end up helping out to make breakfast and snacks for my little brothers, Davis and Maddie. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all one of my favorite recipes that I do for them every morning. So this was something that I loved as a kid, and now I'm making it for my younger brothers. Today, we're going to start out by adding some of our fruits. We got just a cup of frozen mixed berries here. And if you want the exact measurements, all that stuff is gonna be in the description for the full recipe. Oops, spilled one there. But yeah, so this, well, it's gonna wind up in there anyway. Let's see what else we got. We have some frozen pineapple. Looks like it's frozen to the bottom a little bit. We have some banana chunks. Bananas are my favorite thing to add to a smoothie just because of that creamy texture. And speaking of, we have a similar kind of creamy texture with the yogurt. And the yogurt, I always like to use some protein yogurt. If you're like me, I love getting as much protein as I can for my workouts and for all the exercising I like to do. So if you get some protein yogurt in there, that really makes this a good option, especially for my brother Maddie. He's football player, and he just entered freshman year. We're gonna add some apple juice. And so he just entered freshman year, and he wants to be a football player in college, so he needs a lot of protein. So that's why I make this specifically for him. And also I really like to add ice in mine. Even though that these fruits are already frozen, when you add the ice, it really makes it nice. I like kind of the little ice shard texture that you can get in there. I really enjoy it. So there we go. That should be everything. Let's throw on the lid. I like to always make sure I have it on tight because there's been times I make smoothies for myself all the time, and I've had many occasions where I've just not put it on all the way and it's just exploded. So let's go ahead and blend it up. And you can always have an extra spoon with you here. So if it has a hard time blending, you can open it back up. I want to get those ice chunks down there a little bit more. Mix it up just to be able to, see if we can get a little bit better blending going on. There we go. All right, that should be good. Let's pour it and see how it turned out. Yeah, smoothies are such a great breakfast, especially making it for my brothers, because it can be, it's difficult sometimes to have to make different breakfasts, because Davis doesn't like eggs and Maddie loves eggs. So if I have to cook for Maddie, I'll usually make him an egg sandwich, but Davis does not like it as much. So a smoothie is something that they can both enjoy, and everyone loves a smoothie. It's like a dessert. And here, maybe I would have added a little bit more apple juice just to make it a little bit creamier there. Do we have a straw? I think I might need a straw for it.
Absolutely.
Because this is a pretty thick smoothie, which is how I like it. But it might, I'm scared if I try to take a sip out of it, it's gonna dump all over my face, and wouldn't want to do that.
Spoon.
Oh yeah, I could use a spoon. I think we're getting a straw right now. So.
I will give you one of your Denny's smoothies.
Oh, the smoothie straw. That's perfect. All right. Oh, that's cool. Like a little rubber straw. Let's try it. Y'all, that is delicious. This is such a great option for anybody out there with younger kids. And even if you're older, it's just delicious, because who doesn't love a nice fruit smoothie? Very refreshing for these hot summer days. I hope that y'all are having a good summer, and I will see you guys in the next video. See y'all later.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.